How to use DoNotPay online legal forms properly. Beginner mistakes that cost you. DoNotPay makes online legal forms fast and convenient, but most people get it wrong and end up with incomplete or invalid documents. The surprising truth is that rushing through the process can cost you more than you think. The first mistake is not reading the questions carefully. DoNotPay relies on your input to customize forms. Omitting details like dates, addresses, or correct legal names can create errors that make your form unenforceable. Always double-check every field before submitting. Another common error is assuming one form fits all situations. For example, a standard lease agreement may not account for state-specific laws or unique clauses you need. Always review the form and, if necessary, adapt it for your situation. Many users forget to download and save a copy properly. DoNotPay provides digital copies, but if you don't save them in multiple places, you might lose access when you need it most. Store both a digital backup and a printed copy. Neglecting signature requirements is another frequent pitfall. Some forms need notarization, witnesses, or specific signing methods to be legally valid. Check the instructions for each document and comply fully. Finally, some assume that using DoNotPay eliminates the need for professional review. While it's a great starting point, complex agreements, contracts, or legal disputes often require a lawyer's eyes. Use these forms as a foundation, not a replacement for expert advice. To use DoNotPay online legal forms properly, read every question carefully, adapt forms to your needs, save copies securely, follow signing instructions, and consult a professional when needed. Avoid these mistakes, and you'll save time, avoid legal headaches, and ensure your documents actually work when you need them.